this is the day when I need this Porsche or not. Let's see how it goes. Yesterday we saw one Porsche at the garage. The guys moving from Latvia to Argentina to create a vineyard, probably, as we know, buy his Porsche and make it great again. Welcome to Oak Brothers Garage. So today I will start working on my Porsche, and sorry for my bad speaking today because I'm after the tongue surgery. So less speaking, let's go to work. Better. See that? Long way ahead. And we'll try to see how it looks inside. So as you can see, it's absolutely done. Just talked with my friend's father, and he said that he probably needs to see that to repair it, but said, hey man, don't touch anything because I need all the shapes and all the stuff to know how it must be done. Yeah, so now it looks like that. So a bunch of stuff. This is a silicone stripe. I think someone tried to do something on this door sills, but he was unlucky and made a mess with that. Let's move to the next step. We need to get off engine, remove it absolutely out. So let's start with the engine bay. Start removing the front and then very easily pulling off the engine and disassemble it. Let's go. Removing wiper is not that easy as I think, but quick tip. So unscrew bolts from the wiper arm, then you need to remove this rubber ring and the metal cover of the ring, and then it comes off. Also you need to unscrew the big nut, which is a locking nut. So and then it removes and you can wiggle it. I need now somehow remove this because this is the arm is on the way for this removal. Also you need to remove this bracket, which is this one. Then you remove this bracket here, which is fastened with the nut here, and these two screws up there. So wipers is a one tricky thing there. First of all, I tried to unscrew the wiper motor to remove it better, but still you need to remove the cover from your motor, which blows air to inside the car, and probably then you need to pretty hard remove the cover, which is this one, and then it comes really easily out of the place. You see it is here. So you also need to remove the motor, unscrew these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 on the motor fitting, and remove this one. Today I will try to remove speakers. The aftermarket speakers looks like a previous owner loved music, so probably they installed more speakers and bigger speakers and make them boxes for new speakers. So I will show you. There it is. There's a bad light here, so an extra, not here, not in the original places, but extra speakers. The Pioneer speakers looks damn good, in good condition. Guess the material. What do you think about that? Super expensive audio system or what? Super crap. As you can see, now we open the engine. The gasket was sucked in. Yeah, as you can see here. Why, I don't really know, but absolutely from here also you can see the mark. From here to here there is no gasket, so that's why the oil is all over the engine. I don't know why, so probably it's a mystical thing how guys did that, but yeah, so we will continue. So there's an option to slide engine under the car here, but you need to remove maximum from the engine. Also, to remove this will be easier if you remove filter and engine out.